Good morning, good day sa lahat. Magandang araw sa atin lahat. Have a good day. So once again, Ray Anticristo, welcome sa aking YouTube channel. Today, we are discussing regarding the differences between A270 and A480 stainless bolt. Kasi marami akong napapansin based on my experiences, oil and gas project, pipeline, and other buildings, mostly in oil and gas, is very corroded area or a corrosive place. So now I will guiding you, I will show you what is the differences between these two bolts and stainless bolts. Okay, so my experiences regarding the construction, design, and inspection as well, electrical instrumentation and telecom. Okay, let's proceed. By the way, sa mga baguhan, don't forget to like and subscribe sa aking YouTube channel kung baguhan kayo dito. Okay, welcome. Instrument GB. Instrument Junction Box, JB Oil and Gas Project. So this is our example. As you can see here, this is bolt. This is hexagon bolts. Okay, this is supporting to our stainless steel junction box. Okay, so now I will show you clearly what is that. So this is the one. This is A470. Makikita mo talaga dyan, no? So corroded A470 bolts. So naka-install na ito at mapapansin nyo, nagkaroon na siya ng unti-unti ng corrosion. So ilang buwan lang yan, let's say na-install yan 5 months or 4 months, nagkaroon na siya ng corrosion, unti-unti na siya. Base dun sa na-install namin, based on my actual installation. Ngayon, i-compare natin. The number design usually denote the minimum tensile strength. A270 has 700 MPa at A480 has 800. So mataas yung tensile niya, yung tensile strength. So both materials have good temperature resistance up to 870 degrees Celsius. So however, the class 80 bolt is stronger than class 70. So, yun yung ini-emphasize natin dito kapag nasa construction kayo, kung saan ka man ngayon, kung nanonood ka dito, if you are involved in the construction and the design as well, so mas good na i-emphasize mo na gagamitin yon or baguhin nyo yung specification nyo or design nyo na i-apply talaga yung A480, lalo na dito sa mga bolts natin, sa instrumentation at lalo na sa mga ibang mga bolting. So mahalaga yan yung A480 para hindi madali ma-corroded. Way back on my experiences in offshore, bawal yan gumamit ng A270. Ang ginagamit talaga doon, mandatory A480 sa lahat ng bolts, lalo na sa mga ganitong bagay, stainless steel. So A480 ang ina-apply, hindi pwede yung ibang. Okay? So that's why I'm showing this to you guys para maintindihan natin kung gaano kahalaga. Kasi makikita nyo, ma-apply nyo at either kung pumunta kayo, kung nasa oil field kayo ngayon, pasyalan nyo yung mga bolts niya nakalagay. Tingnan nyo, subukan nyo. Let's visit and check what kind of bolt that they are using. A270, A470, or A480. So then compare your bolts to other bolts. So compare your A480 kung gaano ka talaga. Meron akong plus project din na install. Nako, ang ginagamit A270, nire-reject ko siya since the material approved. So wala akong magawa kasi hindi ako nasa design. So, yun yung dapat matandaan. Kapag nasa design kayo ngayon, let's be careful na ma-implement nyo ito. Dahil pagdating doon sa site, hindi na yan pwedeng i-reject dahil sasabihin ng contractor, that is material approved. Since material approved, i-install siya. Kasi na-approve ng design eh. So during the tender bid, during sa design, let's be specific, especially instrumentation. Okay? So now, as you can see here, this is A480. See? Sabay yan na-install, 4 months or to 5 months. Wala pa siyang nakikita dito na corroded. So, A480 hexagon head bolt. Ito yung mga ginagamit dapat. Okay? So, yun yung pinakamahalaga. So, makikita mo dyan ang pinagkaiba sa A480 saka A270. So, hexagon bolt and then Teflon separator or tape to prevent galvanic corrosion. So, dissimilar metal always provide a separator. So, bakit ko in-emphasize din to? Once nasa offshore kayo or nasa oil field, kailangan ang dissimilar materials, kailangan nag-separate yan. Usually kasi hindi napapansin yan. So dapat pansinin natin kung ikaw ay may idea na, dapat lagyan mo ng separator yan. Either insulator, yan, kita mo yan, may Teflon yan. So to separate sa ating iba. Let's say kung meron kang ibang ginagamit na materials. So, hindi mo pwedeng ihalo yung SS mo. Okay? So, galvanic, corrosion, to prevent, you provide a separator. Okay? Usually, ang ginagamit nila yung sleeve or yan, ganyan, sleeve, Teflon. Okay guys, now naintindihan natin what is the important for using A480 and compared to A270. So you need to visit your site or you are now designing to prepare your specification, update your scope, update your design specification to be specific that you are using. Don't put only 316L, 316L, 316 stainless steel, but be specific and all specification under bolting, don't just only put simple, just basic, specific A480. Okay, it depends on you how this bolt you utilize. Basically for the instrumentation and electrical instrumentation, this will be emphasized. Okay, A480. Thank you guys, and that's it for all information regarding this A2 and A480 hexagon bolt stainless steel. So for the next, see you, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye-bye.